I know.
I mean, I don't think I would want to hug him, but he's so sweet.
Yeah.
Students, are you ready? Let's do this.
How many fifth graders we have here at the Science Expo?
We have 247 fifth graders that were invited. This is our 49th annual Science Expo,
Wow.
Elementary Science Fair. Isn't that exciting?
This is a historic event.
You want to be an inventor.
Yeah.
High five on that.
Think about the bubbles and the liquid when they break down. What are they made of? This is a moment for our fifth graders to shine, and there's so much that they can teach us. And I love to question them and get that knowledge that they have learned through these different experiments.
I come to this Science Expo every year to get ideas for myself because I see principals are doing some magnificent things for their students.
What would you say to a fourth grader about your experience here?
I would say that it's a really fun thing to do, and it also helps with if you're ever trying to become a designer or an engineer, this would help.
And all of our wonderful parents that are here, you know they were part of this project as well, right? They were working with their kids, and it's so important to have our families involved in their students' learning. For you as a parent, how does this make you feel?
It makes me feel amazing. I'm super proud of all the kids that, came.
Would you consider this a quality educational experience?
Absolutely.
Nikki, I can't thank you enough, Jen, the entire STEM team for the heart, the love that you guys for the subject matter in which you serve.